Hi, I'm Noah. What's your name?
Hi, I am Ava. It's a pleasure to meet you, Noah.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about yourself?
What brings you here?
I'm here for a business conference.
Have you been to this place before?
No, it's my first time here. How about you?
What do you do for a living?
I work as a software engineer.
Are you from around here or visiting?
I'm visiting from another city.
Do you have any hobbies or interests?
Yes, I enjoy playing soccer and painting.
Have you seen any good movies or TV shows lately?
Yes, I recently watched a great movie called Inception.
What kind of music do you enjoy?
I enjoy listening to a variety of genres, but my favorite is pop music.
Have you read any interesting books recently?
Yes, I just finished reading The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho.
Do you have any favorite restaurants in the area?
Yes, there's a great Italian restaurant called La Trattoria that I love.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I enjoy spending time with my family and going for long walks.
Are you a dog person or a cat person?
I'm more of a dog person. I love their loyalty and playful nature.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. She's adorable.
What's the most exciting thing you've ever done?
Skydiving was definitely the most exciting thing I've ever done.
Have you ever been to any concerts or live performances?
Yes, I've been to a few concerts. The most memorable one was a Coldplay concert.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Italian food, especially pasta and pizza.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a night owl. I tend to be more productive in the evenings.
What's your favorite season and why?
I love autumn because of the beautiful colors and mild weather.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities like hiking or camping?
Yes, I love hiking and exploring nature.
Are you into sports? Which ones do you follow?
I enjoy watching and playing basketball.
What's the last thing that made you laugh out loud?
I recently watched a hilarious comedy show that had me laughing nonstop.
Do you have any hidden talents?
Well, I can play the guitar and juggle.
What's your favorite type of exercise or workout?
I enjoy going for runs and practicing yoga to stay active and fit.
Are you a coffee or tea person?
I'm definitely a coffee person. I can't start my day without a good cup of coffee.
Do you have any favorite TV shows or series?
Yes, I'm a big fan of Friends and Game of Thrones.
What's the best piece of advice you've ever received?
The best advice I've received is to always follow my passion and never give up.
Are you a beach person or a mountain person?
I love both, but if I had to choose, I'd say I'm more of a beach person.
Do you have any favorite travel destination?
I absolutely love visiting tropical destinations like Bali and the Maldives.
Are you a fan of any particular sports team?
Yes, I'm a die-hard fan of the Manchester United football team.
Do you enjoy cooking? What's your signature dish?
Yes, I love cooking. My signature dish is a homemade lasagna. It always turns out delicious.
What's your favorite way to relax and unwind?
I enjoy reading a good book or taking long walks in nature to relax.
Do you have any favorite board games or card games?
Yes, I enjoy playing chess and poker.
Are you a fan of any specific music genre?
I enjoy a variety of music genres, but I'm particularly fond of jazz and blues.
What's your favorite type of art or artistic expression?
I appreciate all forms of art, but I have a soft spot for Impressionist paintings.
Do you have any favorite quotes or sayings?
Yes, one of my favorite quotes is, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do."
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I have a sweet tooth, so it's hard to pick just one favorite dessert. But if I had to choose, I'd say chocolate cake.
Do you have any favorite podcasts or radio shows?
Yes, I'm a fan of true crime podcasts. They're so intriguing.
What's the most interesting place you've ever visited?
The most interesting place I visited was Machu Picchu in Peru. It was breathtaking.
Thank you for joining us on this journey of learning and growth. We're thrilled to see you here, and we hope you found today's lesson both enlightening and fun. Remember, the key to mastering English is not just about memorizing words but about how you use them in your daily life.